So I'm gonna submerging my brush into the monomer and pick up number 25, doing probably about half of the nails, like a 50% of the nails, and let it till the nails down a little bit, and use belly of your bristle and blend it down. Okay, and make sure this part you are going to blend it, so then it's kind of a thinner, so then it's easy for you to blend the ombre. If you can able to see it, here you go. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead. I'm go ahead and submerging my brush, my bristles back into the monomer, and pick up about either medium size. You're gonna do it two, you can either do 2 beads to a perfect your ombre, which is I am going to do it 1 bead right above of the finish lines of number 25, till the nails down really gently, so then that way yours is light nude number 19 can flow with the gravity. So it's created basically, it's like simple, and also is perfect ombre for you, using the belly of the bristle and blend it down. So don't use the tips of it, because the tip that is might be too much pressure for it. All right, and then we are going to go back and pick up 1 more beads. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you Instagram, thank you YouTube and Twitch, and also Facebook. You all amazing. Thank you, and happy Friday. Hope you all have a fabulous Friday. So this is really easy for beginner nail tech to do is ombre. Also for DIY nails at home is also really simple and easy as well. So little okay. And then I am going to using is crystal clear to cap completely the nails. If you, for the beginner, if you feel like you're afraid of getting your cuticles getting around, you can definitely cap it all and tie the nail. So I'm gonna place this right closer to the cuticles. This is will help with the beginner. You're afraid of if you are going to file too much on the cuticle area, this will definitely will help to cap, and you don't have to worry about it's gonna be like too heavy-handed when you're filing. Okay, great. So we're gonna let it set on the sides. We are going to do the next one.